Welcome friends. Today we shall study the synapse, its types and structure. So the diagram shows the structure of the synapse. So synapse is the junction between the two neurons, that is between the two axons or between the axon and dendron or between the dendron and dendron. This is called the synapse. So in this way we have studied the definition of the synapse. Now the synapses are of the two types. One is electrical synapse, second is the chemical synapse. The diagrams show the electrical as well as the chemical synapse. First diagram shows the chemical and electrical synapse in pair, while the second diagram shows the electrical synapse. In this way, two types of the synapse are there. Now we shall see the electrical synapse. In this type, the synaptic gap is very small, that is about 3.8 nanometers, and impulse transmission is very fast. It is present in places of body where there is a fast response. Example, defense reflexes. The diagram, it shows the electrical synapse. Now we shall see the chemical synapse, the second type of the synapse, and in this type of synapse, the synaptic gap is about 20 to 40 nanometers. And chemical synapse between motor neuron and muscle cell is called neuro-muscular junction or the motor end plate. The diagram, it shows the neuromuscular junction or the motor end plate. Now the chemical synapse, it shows three different components, and these are presynaptic terminal, synaptic cleft, and third is a postsynaptic neuron. The diagram of this synapse, it is a type of chemical synapse and it shows all these three components. Now we shall see the synaptic transmission of the nerve impulse. So how the transmission takes place? It takes place by the help of a type of neurotransmitter that is called acetylcholine. So this neurotransmitter acetylcholine binds to a receptor of postsynaptic cell, and action is inhibitory or excitatory according to the type of neurotransmitter. Also, an enzyme acetylcholinesterase destroys the neurotransmitter after transmission of impulse, and then the synapse is ready to receive a new impulse. In this way,